All right, I'm Jordan. This is Kasie. We're both 15 years old. We live in Mount Juliet, Tennessee. These are our original songs. This is our first time doing something like this, so. Even in the past, that's all they ever say. But how can you leave it there when something reminds me every day? I see the spark that's in their eyes. For us it's gone away. Oh, and now I wanted you to stay right here by my side. We could have lived forever. Now I'm asking why. You knew all my secrets. You tore away my pride. But that's alright. Hey, I'm doing fine. Maybe one day I'll see the truth behind your lies. Was it fake or was it real? What's it like behind your disguise? Have you not realized what you had, what you lost, or what could have been? Oh, but now I wanted you to stay right here by my side. We could have lived forever. Now I'm asking why. You knew all my secrets. You tore away my pride. But that's alright. Hey, I'm doing fine. There's a rainbow after the storm, a curtain call at the end. My heart is surely working, it's beating from within. I realize without you, I'm a stronger me. And all I really wanted you to know is I wanted you to stay right here by my side. We could have lived forever. Now I'm asking why. You knew all my secrets. You tore away my pride. But that's alright. That's alright. Hey, I'm doing fine. Hey, I'm doing fine. Hey, I'm doing fine. Oh, hey, I'm doing fine. Oh, hey, I'm doing fine. Hey, rewind. I'm Missouri.